hopefully, everybody will join in within a couple of minutes. Okay, so our lesson today, we will continue talking about bearing and scale drawing. Yesterday, we finished the first part, which is how can we measure bearing and what do we mean by bearing. We started a little bit by the end of the class talking about and remembering things regarding how can we use bearing in scale drawing, okay? But we stopped before we took the first video that explains the first exercise. So this is what we will do today. So first, I will start by sharing my screen. Okay, few notes to remember, and then we will start directly with explaining the exercises from the book, How Can We Use Bearing in Scale Drawing, okay? So the first thing that I would love to share, just to remind you with that, this is the, well, PowerPoint, okay? So the first thing we talked about, we need to talk about today with that, which is this lesson, okay? This lesson is the second lesson in chapter 17. Chapter 17 is only 2 lessons. The first one is talking about bearing. How can we measure it? Using a protractor, we're talking about angles, okay? We define bearing, and then we will talk about how can we use the bearing in scale drawing, okay? Things to remember, we have bearing is a way of describing directions and distances. Of course, due north clockwise direction, and remember that bearing should be written in 3 figures. To draw an accurate map, we should use a proper scale. An appropriate scale, this is something, depends on the drawing, okay, and the size of our drawing. So this is something we will talk about in details in a couple of minutes, okay? This is the first exercise that we will listen to a recorded video that explains how can we go through scale drawing. I will listen to your questions after we watch this video. Okay, so I will stop the share here and I will share another screen with you. So عم بيزيد العدد تمام. Okay, here we are. Yeah, في من Google Chrome. I prepared the videos and here we are. Let's watch this video, and everybody can see the screen of the video. So if yes, please just send me a thumb up if you can see the screen of the video. Thank you, Rama. Okay, yeah. Here we are. Let's watch and listen together. Yes, Hala. Do you have a question, darling?
I can't hear anything.
You can't hear anything? بس علي الصوت عندك مس.
ما في هي وصل 50 ما في صوت.
طيب هلا لينكات الحصة هاي teacher I can send it to you على الماسنجر so you can watch the videos by yourself. Is that okay?
Okay, thank you.
بتصير أبعت لك اللينك. Okay teacher يلا خلينا نكمل. Thank you. Okay. So here we are. Any questions so far about the first exercise? Is there any question about how can we work the first exercise? Hala, I will send you the links على messengers for these videos, so you don't have to worry about that. The rest. Okay, احنا عاملين شيء مش مظبوط. Okay. يلا نرجع على meeting Zoom. Okay, is there any question? Do we have any question about the first exercise? طيب, shall we continue with the second exercise? تمام. هلا let's go back to and share the presentation. Here we are. Yeah. So we did the first exercise, and as I told you, this is the link that we've just watched. We did the first exercise, how can we use bearing and a certain scale to draw an accurate map for a journey for a ship that travels from a certain harbor. Okay, so we're done with the first exercise. Let's go for the second exercise, and we will do the same thing. We will watch another video. Okay, this video, it explains the second exercise, and then we will continue with the rest. So I will share now the second exercise. Here we are. So let's share the screen again, and here is the second exercise. Let's watch it together. Tamam? And if you have any question, you can just raise your hand after we finish watching this. Yeah. Okay, so is there any question about the second exercise that we've just went through? Everybody knows how to use the scale. Everybody knows how to draw a bearing, always due north and clockwise direction. في عنا أي question؟ هلا سمعتي الصوت بهذا الفيديو؟ Can you hear the sound in this video? Will still you want me to send both links?
No, I didn't hear.
You didn't hear it. It's okay.
Me too.
Yeah, me too.
هدى طيب أنا بعرف إنه صبايا you have a group صح؟
Yes.
8C.
Yes.
So I will send one of you the link and then you can send it to the rest of your friends. Is that okay?
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yalla, great. Okay. So let's share the screen, okay, together and finish the last exercise that we have. Here we are. Okay, so this is the second exercise that we've just went through the videos, and as I told you, I will send the link so you can go through it. I will skip the rest of exercises that we went through, and I will focus on some important exercises, which is exercise number 6. هذا exercise كتير مهم, and by the way, grade 9 students, they will go through examples like this one this year, inshallah. So using a scale or converting units using a scale is something very important. So please concentrate لأنه هذا الإشي رح نحتاجه كمان السنة. Okay. A map has a scale, okay, of 1 to 50,000. Okay. On the map, the footpath is 9 centimeter long. What is the length in kilometers of the footpath in real life? هلا remember something. هلا whatever is the scale, you should know يا شباب وصبايا إنه we are using the same unit. يعني if I said that it's the first one, this is in the drawing, and the second part is a scale in real life, that means إذا كنت عم بستخدم هون 1 centimeter, that means إنه in real life that would be 50,000 centimeter. ننتبه كتير لليونت اللي هم بدهم إياه. Okay, so انتبهوا لشغله. قال لك انه in the drawing it's 9 centimeters. معناتها it's هون لازم تكون ايش هاي اليونت. It's also in centimeters. But when they want the answer, they want it in kilometers. So after that we need to convert units. Okay. ما بينفع يا teacher يكون هون 1 centimeter يكون هنا kilometer. This is 1 centimeter in the drawing, and these are 50,000 centimeters in real lives. centimeter centimeter, kilometer kilometer. كتير ننتبه لموضوع الunits, okay? So if I have 1 centimeter in the drawing, okay, and that would be 50,000 centimeter in real life, check what can we do. That means إنه هون شو عندي 9 centimeters in my drawing, and here I don't know exactly how much. How can we draw that? Remember that scale goes by direct proportion. With direct proportion, directly we just multiply going by cross multiplication. أو بنعمل إيش هو الإكس اللي إحنا تعودنا عليها. So it's 9 multiplied the 50,000 centimeter, and then I will go by dividing that on the other unit. So it's 9 multiplied by the 50,000, and that would be what? 450,000 centimeter. بس إحنا do we want the answer in centimeter ولا we want it in kilometer? We want it in kilometer. So من centimeter I need to convert to kilometer. Okay, who can help me? How can I convert from centimeter to kilometer? من a small unit to a big unit, what shall I do? مين يساعدني؟ I need participations. اللي إذا في ناس مش معاي. ها؟ يلا participation. بس سارة أسرع واحدة دايما بتكون أول واحدة. يا سارة يلا help me, what shall I do? How can I convert from a small unit to a big unit?
So 450,000 divided on 1,000, and this equals 450 kilometers.
Divided on 1,000. From centimeter, teacher, to a kilometer, do we divide on just 1,000?
No, 10,000.
10,000. هلا بس خديني step by step, Sarah. من centimeter into a meter, I need to divide into
100.
100. ومن meter لkilometer, I need to divide by
1,000.
1,000. So how many zeros do you have, darling?
5.
5 zeros. So you need to divide on
100,000.
on 100,000, and that would be 4.5 kilometer in real life. Understood, Sarah? Great job. Thank you. Okay. Yep. In real life, a road is 18 kilometer long. What is the length in centimeter of the road? Who wants to help? Yeah. What shall I do? I'm بعتونا unit in kilometer and they want you to find it in centimeter. والسcale تبعنا in centimeter. Rama, what shall I do? What is the first step? Yes, Rama. Rama Barakat, unmute yourself, teacher. Rama? Ramroom? Yes, yeah, teacher. راما لا طب نشوف مين جواد جواد come on جواد يلا
Yes,
يلا يا
we multiply it by 100,000.
Because we need to change from what to what? From centimeter to?
From centimeter to meter.
To kilometer. From centimeter to kilometer. So I need to change a kilometer. Okay, sorry, from kilometer to centimeters. So we have 18 kilometers and our unit in centimeters. So we multiply by 100,000. فقد صار عندنا 1,800,000 centimeter in real life. Type, what shall we do?
We divide it by
متذكر يا جواد الكروس مالتيبليكيشنز اللي كنا نعملها؟ متذكر؟
بس نسيته.
يلا خليك معي يبقى على البرزنتيشن. We have 1 kilometer and sorry 1 centimeter in real life. It represents 50,000 centimeter in real life. على الدrawing 1 centimeter على real life 50,000 centimeters. هلا احنا we have real life is 1,800,000 centimeters. So what can we do? رح نعمل
we divide it by 50,000.
Bravo. So we will multiply it by 1 and then divide it by 50,000 and the answer is 36 centimeters on the drawing. Tamam? Okay, Jawad, thank you. Here's the last exercise, okay? The last exercise, let's go through it and then we will finish. Yeah, we have Alicia is participating in a charity sailing race on Mar Minor. The map shows the routes she takes. The map has a scale of 1 to 250,000. What is the total distance that Alicia will travel? احنا ايش مطلوب منا؟ مطلوب منا انه we will measure that using the ruler. So we will go through the path, this path على الدrawing من starting point till we reach the last point, and then we add to know the distance اللي موجودة على الدrawing. So after that, we will just apply the scale, which is 1 to 250,000. What can I do? Who wants to help me in this one? Yeah. When we measured the distance, it was 8 centimeters on the drawing. So who wants to help here? شو أعمل عشان أعرف how much is the distance she travels in real life? No participation. حاسة إنه في شباب حاطين بس الصوت ومش معي. Anyway, okay, we'll just go by cross multiplication. So we will multiply and divide. So multiplying 8 by 250,000, and then we will divide on 1. And that would be in real life 2 million centimeter. To convert from centimeter to kilometer, we will divide on 100,000, and that would be 20 kilometer distance. After that, they said that Alicia, she earns 56 euro for charity every kilometer she sails. So what is the total amount? We'll just multiply by the amount, and that means she will earn 1,120 euro. Okay, هلا we're done going through that. بالنسبة للشباب والصبايا, yes, I will stop. Window closed. Okay. I will stop the sharing. What I want from everybody, please go to school, get the booklet, try to go through the exercises. I told you that the booklet is already provided with an answer key. We're done with the second chapter that we went through already during the quarantine. So today we're done with chapter 17. We're left with 2 chapters. Thank you very much. I'm done with today. And if you have any question, anything you want to ask, you can send me on the messenger, and I will send you the link of these videos على المسنجر للصبايا اللي طلبوا. Thank you very much, and this meeting is ended. You may leave. Thank you.